Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your device supports spatial audio and is running the latest OS, because driver and API updates matter. Next, connect certified headphones, Bluetooth, USB-C, or Lightning, and verify audio routing. Open Settings, find Sound or Audio, and toggle Spatial Audio on. Some platforms require you to enable head tracking separately. Once done, grant any app permissions and restart the media app. This initial sequence prepares the system so spatial rendering can engage correctly when you play content. Now you configure the media app and head tracking to align sound with your movements. Choose content encoded or marked for spatial audio, and turn on any in-app spatial toggle. Streamers often have separate settings. Then run the head tracking calibration. Keep your head still for prompts and follow rotation steps so the system maps your orientation. Make sure to set room size or distance parameters and tweak EQ or balance to reduce frequency masking. These middle steps convert raw spatial processing into a believable 3D soundstage. Finally, confirm results and refine settings so spatial audio feels natural. Play dedicated test tracks or demos and listen for clear directionality, left, right, above, and consistent movement as you turn your head. If imaging feels narrow, increase virtual room or widen stereo spread. If bass masks detail, reduce low frequencies. Once satisfied, save presets if available. If you encounter dropouts or no effect, reboot the device. Rebind the headphones, check firmware, and verify the app supports spatial output. This single troubleshooting step resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.